Hi and welcome to this tutorial about Ubuntu 20.04. Today we should install Ubuntu with ZFS as a file system. So this new file system, Z file system or ZFS as it also called. So insert the boot media and restart the computer.
Hit space. Choose the language. This is a trick you can do if you have a graphical problem. There is a less complicated installer here. In our case, you simply let the installation boot up as normal. If you really have severe graphical problem and this trick don't work for you, I recommend it to use Net Installer, which have a non-graphical installer. Here, choose the language, try Ubuntu, install Ubuntu. Choose the keyboard by starting with the language for your country. And here the different variants which are available in your country. This is setting you can play around with if you have a problem. Normal installation and minimum. Downloading updates are in most cases a good idea. Third-party software can cause a problem, but can also solve problem. So simply try it out and see what works best for you. To activate said file system, click here. Choose experimental erase disk and use said file system. Done. Done. Confirm the changes of the hard drive. Choose the time zone by clicking on the map. Time to create the first user. This user will also be able to escalate his or her account to root because they are administrator, as they called it in the desktop version. Here, fill in the user's full name. This will be used by email program, for example. Give the computer a useful name. It's good practice to have the same username on several systems. That make your life more easy. And choose a good password. Time to restart the computer. remove the installation media and press Enter. Here is something you need to know about Z file system. This partition is mounted. This is not mounted. This is swap, B pool, R pool. There is no mounted root partition. If we now take a look on FS table, it is the same story here. There is no mounted root partition, but you cannot have a system without root, of course. But when it comes to Z file system, they use its own mount system. So you don't mount the file system primarily through sftab. So if you want to manipulate disk in Z file system, you need to relearn how to do that, because this is completely different from previous RAID, LVM and standard partition on single hard drive.
Alright, there you have it, a working system. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Simutrans is an open source transport simulator game. You can transporting cargo, passenger and mail on land, sea and in the air. Thank you for your time.